What if, one morning, humans vanished? And animals didn't just survive. They evolved and took over. Cities once filled with cars now echo with lion roars. Skyscrapers become eagle nests. Subways run on instinct. And the wild writes its own laws. It saw the concrete jungle and made it wild again. Humans vanished, no warning. But Earth didn't pause. Dogs broke free from homes. Cats claimed rooftops. Zoo cages rusted. Wildlife escaped. And slowly, silence gave way to sound again. Not human noise, but growls, howls, wings, hooves. Nature didn't die. It adapted. Months passed. The smarter species began to thrive. Apes learned door mechanisms. Parrots mimicked human speech and relayed messages. Dolphins in flooded cities formed aquatic highways. Chimpanzees took over shopping malls. Elephants cleared roads like construction workers. Crows used tools to crack vending machines. The age of animal intellect had begun. Hierarchy formed quickly. Wolves ruled districts with alpha councils. Elephants managed memory archives, old human data. Orangutans became library keepers. The fastest became messengers, cheetahs delivering information across regions. Birds became drones, surveillance from above. And deep underground, rats formed trade networks. Communication evolved. Parrots taught wolves keywords. Dolphins developed sonar writing. Elephants used ground vibration signals. A universal language emerged. Sound plus gesture plus scent. Animals no longer just hunted. They debated, bargained, allied. The jungle now had law. New architecture rose. Birds built nests in high-rises. Beavers dammed buildings into aquariums. Bees converted stadiums into hives. Animals used human tech in their own way. Solar panels powered hot springs. Feral AI systems were repurposed by clever species. The concrete didn't collapse, it changed. But not all was peace. Predators challenged herbivores for territory. Rats stole from wolves. Bears clashed with apes over resources. Treaties were formed, broken, rewritten. Animal diplomacy was raw, but real. And in some zones, war erupted. Crows learned electricity. Chimpanzees decoded old human code. Octopuses began rewriting AI. A new age of animal cyberintelligence emerged. They didn't repeat human mistakes. They adapted. What humans built in centuries, animals surpassed in decades. In every city, animals left a tribute. To those who once ruled, statues remained. Books preserved. Dogs slept near photo frames. Cats curled up in old beds. Animals didn't just forget. They remembered. Maybe not in words, but in behavior, in places, in spirit. Eventually, Earth became more than wild. It became wise. Animals began space observation. Communication with whales turned cosmic. Echolocation patterns resembling star maps. They aimed telescopes skyward, not to conquer space, but to find balance in it. They didn't want to repeat the past. They wanted to honor it. What if this is not just fantasy? What if intelligence is inevitable? First humans, then the animals, and one day, another species might rise. So when you look into your dog's eyes, or hear birds mimic your voice, ask yourself, are they already learning? Are they waiting for their turn? Subscribe for more wild what-if realities, only on Speculative Secrets.